What's up, guys? If you've seen my last video, you'll know that we've been expecting some snow in Texas, but I was absolutely shocked this morning. We got 8 inches of snow, and it was 8 degrees this morning. Check it out.
All right, well, today's President's Day, the 15th, and we got a few inches of snow last night. I think this is probably the most I've ever seen in my life. We got our sweet potato, avocado, and some celery in here, trying to survive. And yeah, it looks more like Colorado than Austin, Texas today. There is a doormat down there. I knew this was going to be bad, but this is the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. I mean, we have little mounds. Like, there were bushes here, as you may recall. There's the garden. Everything in it is dead, for sure. Not a chance. And our fig tree, the olive tree, and the apple tree are clinging to life. This is... wow. This is my yard and driveway. As you can see, probably 6, 7, 8 inches of snow. Like full Colorado style. Goodness gracious.
So I brushed off some of the snow on my car and measured it, and it was 8 inches. Here are a couple of fun shots of how bad the snow was. I wish I had more before pictures from the same angles, but I just thought these would be cool.
I also just thought I'd mention, we've been having rolling blackouts all morning. I think the power company said we'd get them every 40 minutes. And for the record, our power lines are underground. So if you're getting blackouts, I think that's totally normal. And I know I said every 40 minutes, but here we are 10 minutes later. So it's probably more like every 20.
So this is my backyard about a month ago in January, and this is how it was this morning. I have a garden bed that still has a whole bunch of vegetables growing, and I've tried to protect it with bubble wrap, burlap, and a drop cloth, but it's totally caked in snow, and I don't know what's going to happen. Here's a picture of my peach tree, which you can see during the last snow barely had the snow fill its bed, and during this snow, it's totally covered. So this is honestly extremely dangerous. I've had multiple friends text me about long-term blackouts with single-digit temperatures, and this is the forecast for the rest of Monday the 15th. As you can see, at no point today is it going to get even close to above freezing. And even tomorrow on the 16th, it's the same deal. All the way into the 17th, the temperature is going to be below 32 degrees, and then on the 17th, it's going to snow all night the same way that it did today. So as fascinating as all of this is, I can't stress this enough, please check on your neighbors, make sure that everybody's doing okay, and take the necessary precautions so that you don't get stuck in a situation where you're without water, electricity, and heat for extended periods of time. Of course, drip your faucets and fill a few containers with water, but also it would probably be wise to, and my power's out here, fill your bathtub with water. This is just a generally good idea in case your pipes burst. You do not want to be without water. And finally, as I mentioned, check on your neighbors, but also pray for them. This is a situation in which emergency rescue isn't going to be able to come for everybody in Texas because we don't have things like ice trucks. So it's very important that we're present with our neighbors, but also that we just pray for them in the midst of this crazy disaster. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope this is somewhat helpful. But if you have any type of feedback that you think would be helpful, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching.